Hello guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things Stacy E. So today's video is my wash day routine. You can see my hair is super matted and there is no trace of coils going on in this hair at all. It's been about a week I washed my hair. Yeah, I know, that's right. So the product I'm using is this Vida shampoo, the 3 minutes miracle Pante conditioner, and the Pante deep conditioner. Okay. Before any other thing, I really soak my hair with water to loosen the coils, to loosen the hair up before applying any product at all. Okay. So after having my hair soaking wet, I tend to put my hair in 2 parts so that I can apply the product. So the shampoo I'm using, like I said already, is the Vida shampoo. It's a moisturizing shampoo. It doesn't strip your hair dry of all the moisture, but it gets the job. It gets the job done. Okay. So here I'm really just washing my scalp because baby, this hair hasn't been washed in a week. Now I just put my hair all together to rinse. After rinsing, now I have to section my hair again in 2 parts. You can see the water dripping everywhere. Now it's time to apply the conditioner. So I section my hair into 2. I just figure out this method. Doing this method really helps a lot with my detangling speed. Okay, it helps a lot. I just slap on the product like this and wrap my hair up. Honestly, applying the product like this really fasten my detangling stage, guys. So now I can section my hair and detangle properly. While I'm detangling, you can see the product are still marinating into the hair. So that's when the detangling came out really fast. Because my hair is really tangled, so I tend to massage the product into my hair very well before using any other tools like combs to comb through the hair. I did most of the detangling with my hand, so when it gets to the comb stage, the comb just glides through so easily because I did most of the work with my hands detangling. Okay, you can see how easy the comb just glides through the hair, and after that I just twist my hair up. So this has nothing to do with the hair, but I just want to tell you guys that my voice is not that clear because your girl got the COVID. Okay, so I'm getting better. I'm really getting better now. Okay, let's continue. You can see I take another section. I repeat same process. Massage my hair, massage it a lot, then before going through with the comb. Doing this process, you will consume more conditioner, but that's why conditioner are made. Okay, they are made to be consumed or to be used, but it saves you a lot of time. As you can see, my detangling process doesn't take much time. Now I just rinse the conditioner out with warm water. I can't do cold water at all. So you can see how soft and moisturized the hair is. Right now there is no product in my hair, but it's time to do the deep conditioning parts. I'm using the Panther deep conditioner. This product is amazing. If you can get your hand to this product and they don't cost much, so it's really affordable. So now I just apply the deep conditioner and you see how it glides through, because I've already done the hard part, which is the detangling with the conditioner. Now I just twist it up, repeat the same process and twist it up. I'm done applying the deep conditioner. It's time to let the product sit for about 15 minutes. It's time to rinse the deep conditioner out. I'm rinsing out with warm water as well, so you can see how soft and moisturized the hair is. I washed my hair in twists, so that's why you can see I'm untwisting the hair here. Now my hair is quickly clean and water are dripping everywhere, so there is no product in my hair right now. After this, you can style your hair how you want it, twist out, bento knots, and your regular wash and go. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Until then, see you on my next video. Bye.